Guys, greetings to everyone on the Asab trading channel, and with you your humble servant trader guru Asab as always. And today I'll tell you about very smart and useful trading strategy. With helping this trading strategy, you'll increase your daily deposit 5x or 10x. Before we start, I want to ask you, subscribe to my Telegram channel, link in the description, and leave the like and comment under that video, because it is really very important to me. Let's get started. And so guys, let's open the forecast. It will be Pocket Option, the best platform on the binary option in the world, and so we will be use this platform, and time expiration will be 2 minutes for today's trading strategy, and so time frame will be 2 minutes too. And so I have the balance. It's exactly, you can see, $500 on my bank account, and I will use very cool trading strategy for today's trading session. And so I will use two indicators. It will be momentum indicator and it will be parabolic SAR. And so amount for one trade will be 300, guys. Don't forget about money management and risk management. I am entered to upward position, currency pair made USD, and so let me explain everything in detail, guys. And so if we watch for the momentum indicator, this indicator shows us this indicator consists from candles, and you can see these candles, and the color of these candles can be red or green in this case. And so if the momentum indicator shows us the green candles, and these green candles lying to upper zone, it's the signal to enter to upper zone. And if this indicator momentum shows us the candles lying to downward zone, this is the clear signal to enter a downward position. And afterwards, when I got the first signal from momentum indicator, we can see that parabolic SAR shows us very clear motion. This indicator consists from the spots, and in this case it's spots like the green spots, and these spots shows us the trend, and so the basic trend. And in this case, if these spots are directed to upper zone, it's the signal to enter a upper position. If these spots lying to directed to down zone, is the signal to enter a down position. And so, in this case, you can see that the two indicators gave us very clear signals for enter to upper position, and this trend will be bullish exactly. And so we get this profit, guys, $486 for one trade, guys. Sound crazy. And so I want to change my amount for one deal, and so I want to just moving on. And so Euro Ruble and USD OTS currency pair, and I'm enter with $500, guys. And so I think that all must be all right. As you can see, we can see that the first indicator, momentum indicator, and this indicator shows us the red candles lying to down zone, and it is very clear signal to enter a downward position, guys. And so if we watch for the parabolic SAR indicator, this indicator shows us two clearly motion to downward zone, and so we get two clear signal to enter to downward position, and we did it. So we're just waiting for our profit. If you're a beginner, you can work with me absolutely for free of charge. Subscribe to my Telegram channel where I trade every day with my team, and just text me in a private message want to team, and I'll share with you all useful information what I have, and I'll send you the link in my VIP channel where we trade with my team every day and earn a lot of money, guys. So not forget, subscribe to my Telegram channel. The second trade, guys, the second trade, and it looks very pretty for us, and it's really cool. I love this trading strategy. I use a lot of time. I use this trading strategy, and these two indicators, parabolic SAR and momentum, working very well together. We get the second profit, $960, guys. So it's really sound really crazy. On my bank account, $1,147, guys. It's crazy. Change amount for one trade and moving on, and find some new convention situation for our new trade, and so we get it. And so I'm entered to downward position on all my amounts. So and it was the first deal, the amount $347, and the second deal for amount $800, guys. And so we just I'm just entered to downward position, and let me explain all in detail. And so if you watch to the momentum indicator, guys, we can see that this indicator shows us the red candles lying to down zone, and it was the bearish trend, and so it's exactly. And if we watch to the parabolic SAR indicator, that we can see that this price and this indicator shows us the green spots just are directed to downward position. And so, and afterwards I'm decided enter to downward position. So I think that I make the right decision, and in the finish we will get the profit, and our pockets will be the large, so, and the fat and the white. And so we're just waiting for our profit, but the price just increased, and I don't like that motion, but all must be all right, I think, because this was really really bearish trend. So guys, I think that all must be all right. So we just the first trade in our pocket, guys, it was $663, guys. And so 3 2 1 gang. And so guys, we get that profit on my bank account, $2,191. It's really crazy, guys. It's a third trade. It was third trade. And so we're changing the amount for one trade, and I want to get the more. And so we're just moving on. And so KCF currency pair, I am entered to upper position, and let me explain everything in detail, guys. And so I think that in this case will be reversal, because price little bit jumping, and it was consolidation, and after that consolidation the price begin to dumping. And so afterwards I just assure you that will be reversal, guys. And you can see that the green candle just increasing, and it's really good good sign for us. And so it means that the price just increased, and it's really good for us, because I enter with $2,000, and so we just wait for our profit. But all can happen. And so as you can see, the momentum indicator shows us the red candles lying to down zone, and it is a really good and clear signal to enter to upper zone. And the parabolic SAR indicator shows us really good green spots, and these green spots directed to downward to upper zone, and it is really exactly second signal to enter to upper position. And so we see that the price just increased, and it's really good for us, and I think that we get a lot of money. So from one deal I will get the $920, so it's really large amount, and I think that all will be okay in our pockets, guys. Whew! $4,000 on my bank account. It is a really good trading session, guys. My friends, in the conclusion, I wanna tell you that today, with helping new smart and effective trading strategy, I'm increased my deposit from $500 to $4,000. It's really sound really crazy, cause I spend around 8 minutes my free time. You must get the same results. Just subscribe to my Telegram channel, link in the description, and text me in the private message, teach me, and I'll share all useful information what I have, and I'll send you the link in my VIP channel where we trade with my team every day and get the great goals. Not forget about that. See you soon, and until the next time, hack you all until it crunches.